Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin flan updated. Preheat your oven and prepare a deep baking pan for a water bath. Gather pumpkin puree, eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, sugar, and spices. Make caramel first by melting sugar until amber, then pour into ramekins. Whisk pumpkin with the milks and eggs until smooth, pour over caramel, cover with foil, and bake in the water bath until set. Gather and measure all ingredients before starting: pumpkin puree, eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. Create caramel by heating sugar until it reaches a deep amber color, then carefully pour into ramekins and tilt to coat the bottoms. Combine remaining ingredients and whisk until fully smooth, then strain the mixture into a pouring jug for a lump-free finish before filling the caramel-lined ramekins. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe for more recipe videos. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes setting timers and playing music while you cook effortless and fun, and it fits neatly on any kitchen counter. It helps me time caramel precisely and keep the playlist going without touching a phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place filled ramekins into a deep pan and pour hot water to reach mid-ramen height for a gentle water bath. Bake until the centers wobble slightly but are not liquid, then cool to room temperature before chilling for several hours. To unmold, run a thin knife around edges and invert onto plates. Top with whipped cream or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy the silky texture and spiced pumpkin flavor with each spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.